Today I'm taking you to Flash Meadows, place I've never been, where the US Open happens, and it's here in New Jersey. And hey, I got all dressed up because it's pretty cold. Now it's like -1, but it's alright. If you have the right clothes, it works. So never been there, hope to get there safe. Let's try it. It's a very nice park. It's a beautiful park. As you can see, there's still some snow on the floor because yesterday we had rain, snow, everything. Snow's fine, ice is dangerous, especially for a bicycle. Places that have like a bike line or bike path, especially in a place that I've never been before. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm hot. I'll have to take one coat out. Just to protect from the wind and warm you up a little bit. And with both coats, it was too hot. Let's get moving. Just for you to know, it's 3.3 Celsius. Good and well protected bike path. So this way we're going straight to Flash Meadows. Not ice itself, but snowy. So I have to watch out. It's 2.1 now Celsius. Yes, I know you're gonna say it's cold, but in the morning it was -5. It's a lot colder. It's far away, but it's supposed to be a very nice park. Well, the urinal roll works because my torso is fine, very good, and has only 2 layers. But my hand is starting to get cold, so I put the hood on it. It helps. Avenue. So in Long Island on Sundays, the 34th Avenue was closed for cars and only allowed pedestrians, cyclists, skaters. It's wonderful to ride on. No cars at all. Always look at the signs. So let's go to Flushing Meadows Corona Park. So it's just a reminder, if you ever see a white bicycle tied to a post, it's a cyclist that was killed here. Sadly, it does happen. That's why we have to be very careful. And that's why if I'm at a place that I don't know, I choose a path that's more protected. But you know, we always have to be aware. For the doors, you know, because they park the car and open it. That's everywhere.
So, before we go to Flash Meadows, I stopped for a chicken corn soup. Yes, because it's very cold outside. So a good tip is to get some soup or hot beverage to heat your inside, your core.
And here is Flash Meadows. Sitting time. The US Open Arena and the lake, and there's a soccer field. Not very common in the United States and very popular in Brazil. So I think they make the goal. US Open Stadium. Well, I'm impressed because there seems to have hundreds of soccer fields here. That's amazing. Look at it. There's one behind. There's another one there. There's another one there. Wow, and all full of people playing soccer, which is not a very common sport here in the United States. And there's another one. It's amazing. Those here playing half court. And there's another one, and there's another one. And wow, it's amazing. Let's see, let's check now. Let's check this one out. Oh, this place is in summertime, must have water, but now they're playing soccer on it. Check it out. It's like a called futebol de salão. Salão football, soccer. We call soccer, we call football. Well, it's a very nice park. I would say it's like a soccer park because only soccer. It's just that I never expect to see so many people playing soccer, you know, out of Brazil or, I don't know, Italy, you know, places that are common to play soccer. Check it out. There are a lot of things to see here. Queen's Museum. There is the Science Museum. It's close. Cool. And there is Brompton Stadium. I know, if you don't play tennis, you don't realize how important this is. There are only four Grand Slams for the whole year. The US Open, the Australian Open, Wimbledon, and Roland Garros. And the US Open, it's here. A Grand Slam, it's a game, it's a competition, right? But it's the best of 5 sets. Instead of 3, it's 5 sets. So sometimes it takes like 5 hours to finish a game. And it's amazing. It's huge. It's a big complex with lots of tennis courts. And here is also the Science Museum. So it's great to bring your kids here or yourself. I love science museums. Well, it was a very nice ride. I've never been here before. I love to see the Flash Meadow, the Brompton Stadium, because, you know, I play tennis. So let's head back home. I'll try to film as much as I can, but without the go-to, it's kind of hard. I have to take the phone out and my hands get cold. Well, almost back home. Was a very nice ride. It's cold right now. Less than 0. Yes, almost -1. The clothes works fine, amazingly fine. And remember, I'm from Rio de Janeiro, so it does work. So we're almost back home. Hope you like this trip. It was a very nice trip. I really like it. I've never been to the Brompton Stadium, and and that was something that I always got curious about. That's the Queensboro Bridge, and there's a great backpack that goes up there. Hope you like it, and watch out when come here for the electric bikes. They go so fast, it's amazing. So dangerous. Look at it. Okay, remember the tip that I gave you. Like when you go out and your hands are very cold, when you get in, the first thing you do is go to the water, the hot water, and put your hands in. Because my hands were inside of this plastic, the Ziploc, they're warm. So I just got home and they're fine. It's amazing. So that's what I wear. This here for the nose, okay, and if I'm cold, I close here and put my hood in. So I put my hood, close here, and that's it. So I hope you did like it. I'm home. I got below 0 sometimes, but I'm fine. I didn't feel cold anytime, and my hands, because of this hack, this marvelous hack, it's fine. Well, let me take this out. And also this here. So if you did like this video, thumbs up. And tomorrow is my last day in New York, so be one more video tomorrow morning. I'm going to Central Park. Yes, I love Central Park. And come back, pack my stuff. Already packed already. It's packed already, but you know, put it back together, go down, check out, and fly back home. Bye-bye.